Morning, guys. Dave Proddy with Fine Home Contracting. I'm down here on a spot check for a project in Milford, right here next to the water. And this project, a couple people from New York coming up, and we are doing some work here. So let's go check it out. It's kind of new to me. I've, seen the plans, and I've seen that we've been spending money down here, based off of, the reports that I see daily. But this is one of those old 1900 houses where, that old fir and the old growth wood, and, it's always fun to do. So I think it looks like we're in the kitchen here. This is going to be such a transformation. You got this old fir tongue and groove beadboard, which is really cool stuff. And a lot of times that's painted by the time we see it. But we've got a new bathroom here. It looks like it's gonna new framing for that. So we're getting ready for roughs. Room in the back here. I guess I should probably check the plan to see what that's for. Running up the stairs here, and again, this old beadboard fir paneling is some good stuff, and it's probably, being right close to the ocean, it really worked back in the day. But I think we're going to be going to probably drywall for a lot of this stuff. Looks like we've got here all new framing. So we've got another bathroom going in here with a closet. I think they've rearranged, maybe made an office and another bedroom for the guests. And this front beautiful porch out here when we're done with a nice view of that ocean. So yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun. I miss the days of being on here. We've done a lot of projects like this, and this old houses like this. It's always a lot of fun for the transformation, but I get to see it in the background. I get to see the photos and get to come out. So stay tuned.